a tornado. This iPod has really gotten through enough damage, but we're gonna keep going. It has a cracked screen already.
Yeah.
Now.
We threw it off a deck and out of a tree.
And the tree's out front. Okay, so this tornado.
Don't throw it in the ditch, though. Avery said now I get to spin around like crazy. Oh, that's my little sister right there. She's up on the deck. Cora, wave. She can't be part of this video. Avery, hold it. Get ready.
Cora!
For spin!